Hey, Kylie here with the Photo Flippers. We have new updates to the workflow builder. Very, very excited about this one. This is probably going to be my favorite. Step number one, always, 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 let's name this baby. So I'm just going to do workflow. If I can learn how to type. Workflow sandbox. Okay, that way we know, hey, this is a sandbox. It's just me playing. Don't don't actually make this live at any point, folks. All right, so you're gonna see a couple new things in here. My mouse is glitching. We're obviously having a great day at this point. Up in your top left-hand corner, we have a brand new toggle option. So we have our standard builder, which we're all familiar with. We know and love her. But we have something new, which is the advanced builder. Suddenly we're gonna get, oh my goodness, we are really lagging terribly. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we have add trigger, we have add action, but the magic is really going to start to happen as we're actually building things. So we're going to start out with just a couple very, very basic options here. We're going to do a form submitted. I'm going to filter because we don't want this firing on every single form. Let's say we're running this just with the offboarding survey. Then we're going to say, okay, let's do some if-else conditions. Let's do if, again, this is just literally to show you how this works. So I don't want to overcomplicate it. Don't take what I am doing as face value. Let's say email is not empty. Email. Actually, I'm going to add another branch, SMS. Contact details. Let's do phone. I'm just going to do is not empty again. Save. Okay, so you can see this looks a little bit different now, doesn't it? So then we're going to do a couple other things. Let's go ahead and just send, okay, email section. We're going to send an email. Quick compose. Smart builder. Okay, that's new. We'll touch on that sometime else. We can also have a brand new view of our email templates. Again, huge, huge, huge updates in this area, which is so flippin' exciting. You can turn on all of your tracking options right here in the builder now. Let's do an SMS here. Again, we're not touching on every little nook, cranny, and feature. This is a test text. I just kind of want to show you the differences with all of these new options. Not even options, it's more so a view. If we're being honest, there are some other kind of things we can do in here. Fit to screen, selection mode, we can do hand, we can do this, zoom in, zoom out, and then we can format the tree. I'll be honest, I don't really know what in the world that means. Copy trigger, delete trigger, very cool. What does this do? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have our copy action, copy all actions, delete, delete all actions, format, select branch nodes. So, okay. So it looks like we can start kind of connecting and doing things here. Oh, we can pause and unpause. This isn't quite a tutorial, if we're being honest. This is just kind of me playing so you guys can see what is really possible with this new area. I'm going to actually play with it a lot more just so we can kind of, really get a clear look at what is the difference other than the way this looks between the advanced builder and the regular builder. But this is going to be extremely helpful for anyone who especially has a whole lot of conditions. I'm assuming it's not letting me kind of adjust all these different things, but I'm assuming this is going to be very similar to, of course, we can kind of adjust the way these look so they're nice and spread out, organized, whatever that might be. I think especially go-to actions are going to be really, really helpful because we can really see what's going to happen. Go to, it's not allowing me to select a step. Okay, there it is. Okay, this reminds me a lot. There's another builder that does this. I can't exactly remember what it is, but kind of like your surveys, all that good stuff. So I'm going to play with this a little more, but I just wanted to get you something very quick, very easy to see kind of the core differences between this advanced builder. Keyboard shortcuts, again, keyboard shortcuts are something that's going to be popping up all throughout HighLevel at different points. So please be aware if you're clicking on your keyboard while you're in areas like this and things start happening, you might want to check your keyboard shortcuts because you're probably pushing one. But very quick overview again of the builder and the different builder options. You can actually toggle between the two. This one, again, as of right now, is just going to give you a little bit different functionality as far as building and view. Otherwise, everything pretty much looks the same. I'm curious. Hold on. I do want to see. Okay, we can have. Oh, okay. See, this is kind of cool. Survey submitted. Brilliant. Okay, so we can have multiple different triggers that kind of map to different things, I think. We'll figure this part out. Fuck. Okay. Yep, good stuff.